For this example, we're going to solve the compound inequality. This is the inequality. And it wants us to write our answer in interval notation. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to go ahead and rewrite it. It's always good to rewrite. Now I'm going to go ahead and simplify the inside of the inequality. They're both numbers are divisible by 2, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. 2x divided by 2. If you want, I can rewrite it like this, so you know what I mean a little clearer. If you notice, both numbers are divisible by 2. So we're going to go ahead and do that. That leaves me with the x minus 4. Okay. Now I'm going to go ahead and add 4 to both sides. Oh, this is a very bright green. It's like a highlighted green. I don't like it. Let's change it up. Cancels there. And we're going to have negative 9 plus 4. That's going to give us 5. Okay. Then we have less than. We have the x inside. We no longer have the 4. So then we have the less than. And negative 7 plus 4, that's going to give us negative 3. Okay, so if you notice, the x is already by itself. So we're going to go ahead and draw our number line. It's always good to draw a number line if you're going to write your answer in interval notation. 0 is always in the middle. Negative infinity always to the left side. Positive infinity always to the right side. I have negative 3 here, and I have positive 5 here. Okay, just double check again. Yep, good. So they're both less than, right? So no equal to in the middle. So they're both open circle, which means we're going to get a parentheses for that. So let's go ahead and read it. We are going to read this from the x. We're going to read it from the x. So x is greater than 5, which means it's going to go to the right. All numbers greater than 5 go to the right. Then we're going to read it again from the x. X is less than negative 3, which means it's going to go this way. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and shade it all this way and all of this way. So we're going to need to use a union symbol to connect both of our inequalities. So we read the inequalities from left to right. So we're going to start from the left. So we're starting at negative infinity, comma negative 3. Infinity always gets a parentheses, and it's because an open dot, it also gets a parentheses. We're going to use the U for union to connect both intervals. Then we go to 5. Again, it's a parenthesis all the way to positive infinity, and infinity always gets a parenthesis as well. So this is your final answer in interval notation.